Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to mute someone on Instagram. So if you also want to mute someone on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So sometimes you might be overwhelmed by the amount of content you're following. In that case, you might want to mute someone, or there might be another reason for which you want to mute that person. So muting the accounts on Instagram is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Muting the accounts is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is go to their profile. Keep in mind you can only mute someone who you're following. So simply go to your following list. Tap on your profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the informations regarding your posts, followers and following. Simply tap on the option following. Now all the accounts you follow will be displayed over here. Simply tap on the profile of the person that you want to mute. Now you can see over here their profile will be opened. Over here you'll be able to find several options. Right over here you'll be able to find the option for following and message. Simply tap on the following option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here at bottom you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for add to close friends list, add to favorites, mute, restrict and unfollow. Simply tap on the mute option that you can see at the third. Now you'll be able to find several options like posts, stories, notes, notes on posts and reels. You can mute any of the following. If you want to mute the post, simply toggle the button right next to the posts. Likewise, follow the same for all of them. If you want to mute all the contents of this person, simply toggle all these buttons. Now after that, simply go back. The changes will be saved. Now you just muted that person. Like this, you'll be able to mute someone on Instagram. So that is how you mute someone on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.